Hamjambo, annyeonghaseyo, konnichiwa, ni hao, sawati, bonjour, hola, guten tag, saubada. Hi guys, how are you doing today? Vlogmas day 19, 18, 20? I don't know, guys. So how are you doing? How have you been feeling? How are you doing? Guys, is it cold at yours? Because let me tell you something. It does not snow here, but it's cold. Yeah. It's not that cold, but it's cold. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying, yeah? So guys, how are you doing? I hope you're doing fine. Okay, let me check the food first. Yeah guys, how are you doing? Why do my eyes feel like they are not okay? Yeah, but I'm okay guys. So how are you doing? Tell me, comment down below guys, how are you doing? Hey, the cold is catching up to me now. Guys, for the past 2 days I've been feeling like I have a bit of a cold. But now I took some cetirizine, and let me tell you something, guys. I have never slept like that in my life. I slept to a point where if I woke up to do something at night, I was like, guys, there are times where I usually edit, and then, guys, there's a time I usually edit, and then I sleep while editing, and then I wake up. So at night, I tried to edit. No, I tried to send the video, and I was like, oh my god, I don't know if I sent the video. It's just like, okay. But now I promise myself, even though I feel like the cold is coming back, I am not taking any cetirizine. Cetirizine can be such a good sleeping pill. I just discovered that. Like if I want to sleep, I'll just take a cetirizine. Wow. Okay. So yeah, guys, how are you doing? Comment down below how you're doing. Even though you guys you don't comment. And also, wait. Let me tell you something. Let me tell you something. For those who don't comment and then come to my inbox and tell me stuff. Why do you do that? Comment. Like a comment would be so much better, but it's okay. The way you do it is good. I don't complain. I'm happy about it. I'm not complaining about anything. But anyways, guys, today I'll insert snippets like previously on. They're like parts I cut of like when was it? Me speaking part of Jamaican, semi-love. And guys, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like and subscribe to share that thing. Yeah guys, so snippets of where I was telling you guys, if you don't subscribe, I'll write each and every one of you a letter. Because wait a minute guys, when I was in high school, I wrote my own parents a letter just to tell them, like, just to inform them that, guys, you have not sent me a success card. Why do I feel so left out? And guys, I didn't send the letter because by the time I was waiting for the stamps, in school we don't have stamps ready. So I was waiting for the stamps to get to school because I just bought them so that I could send them out. Guess what? The success cards just came in like, pew, pew, pew. And I was like, I'm not sending this letter. So last year, guys, I had not started YouTube by this time. So last year, I was going through my stuff, decluttering stuff. And then I found the letter. I was just like, what in the world? This is so nice. Okay, guys, before we get straight into the video, guys, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, don't forget to share. Also, don't forget to comment down below. Share with your friends, with your family, with your aunties, with your uncles, yeah, with your cousins, with everybody, guys. Share, guys. Road to 1,000 subscribers. I love you, guys. Let's get straight into the video. So, guys, I have a box here. This is a Nuvita glucose biscuit. Bravo G, right? Yeah. But this guys, let me tell you something. Can you believe like this box, I've had it like since high school, because this is where I stored all my like letters, notes that people wrote me. Guys, I'm such a hoarder when it comes to like keeping things for memories, and this is not even much. I have some others that are like in Nairobi. I left them at my aunt's. So guys, we're going to be going through this box together, but I'm not going to be opening everything. Especially we need that letter. That letter is in here, and we're going to read that letter today. So guys, let's go. I found this one as the first one. This one. Guys, I was in the Guys, I was in the Wildlife Clubs of Kenya Association membership card. So this can what? Who that girl? What is this girl? Yeah, so I remember this teacher was called Mr. Yeah. What? Guys, hey, this one doesn't have an expiry. I can have such an important document and then I can have such an important document and then not use it when going for like trips and stuff. Guys, we're going to all the wildlife places that we need. Wow. Oh, okay. And then with that, I'm not going to show you the picture in here because why do I look like that? Ah! Why was I smiling but not smiling yet? I was smiling, but I still look cute. Yeah, guys. And then I have this picture of which I have to first trace myself because wait, can I remember all my classmates from high school? Yes, let me start from this side. This was Joanne, Nancy, Vero, Lydia. I can't remember the nicknames, but no, yeah, I'll just say the nicknames. This was Kibredo, Regina, Pauline, Maureen, Betty, Faith, Jane, Paris. Oh, how was this girl's name? Waithera, Joanne, Ruth, Grace, Imogen, Grace, Esther, Celine, Rita, Esther, Joy, Valentine, Nellis, Christine, Grace. What was this girl's? Bunnies, Teresa, Wycliffe, Agnes, Joyce, Eliza, Kananu, Eliza, Judy, Rose, Rosemary, Penina. What was this girl's name? Esther, Susie, Jane, Mercy, Regina, Jackie, Magda. Stop, you guys. I love you. So this was the picture of like, you know, the teacher wishing us, yeah, all the best. We could use that. Also, my National Blood Transfusion Service, guys. Yeah, donor's card, and I am. Yeah, if you need blood, just communicate and leave me high and dry. But yeah, guys. Wow, memories, beautiful memories, guys. Because of time, I won't lie to you. I also have this. You see, the way girls usually write each other notes. Imagine I kept all this. Let me just. I've just taken it. No, we back. Wait, did I sit on it? Yeah, guys. So this one. Let me just. Yeah, let me just. Huh? Which one should I take? This one. Eliza. Hi, hopefully chakuamu. Bye. It's nothing bad, but it's just so cringe. Like, guys, yeah. Like, what? I'm just keeping them for memories. I want to show this to my future mini-me's. Yeah, imagine, guys, I know you'll watch this video. When I was in Form 1, we used to have, like, you know, like, older sisters in school. And she wrote me this. Her name is Winnie. She wrote me this. Can you see that? Yeah, I used to call myself Tiana back in the days. So yeah, she wrote me this. Guys, when I was in Form 1. Now this is how many years old? About 13 years old. And I still have the letter. Winnie, I still have your letter. The one you wrote me when you were leaving. Because she was my mom in high school. Wow, how beautiful. Aww. This is so beautiful. She took her time. A lot of stuff. What the frick? Imagine she wrote this. Keep going, girl, because she was like, I know school isn't easy, but keep smiling. Oh, thank you. Should we read this one? This one looks a bit emotional. Like it could be on the emotional side. And I don't want to get emotional. Wait, this is so sweet. I'll just read it, guys, the first part. This is sweet. Tiana, Miss Independent. Can you see that? Tiana, so cute. Okay, I'll baby girl. Don't know where to start this, but 4, 3, 2, 1. Let me kick off. Thanks to Sana for all you've been to me. A wonderful pal, daughter, and all I would wish. Oh. Oh, stop. Oh, this is how you know somebody is nice. Imagine she wrote, I might not be the best you expected, but more to come there. I will never forget you. Aww. Stop. That is so cute. Guys, we started off on a good note. Love you, daughter. Aw, stop. That's cute. That's just so cute. She wrote her number. And I remember this was like, the last day when you say bye to each other. And then somebody brought it to me when she'd already left. So you can imagine how much I cried, guys. Ah, such a crier. Such an emotional baby. But yeah, I'm keeping that. Imagine I've kept this now for how long? I've kept this for like how many, yeah, for quite a while. Guys. No, let's go straight to the letter because there is so much to go through to. Wow. What is make cousin I can even resemble like remember his career handwriting. Yes, sir. Ah. So guys, let me show you. I'll just hide the name in the PO box. But guys, can you see? Like opened on the 13th December 2024, 8 years later. Are you sick in the head? That's our cat doing the most. So guys, yeah, they got lucky. So I had each one, like to each and every family member, but to the family. This one was for the family. This one was for the brother. This one was for the father. Wait, moms. I think I'd written. Oh, so bad. Hey guys, let me read this for you because this is younger me. A letter from my younger self to mom, dad, and brother. Hi everyone. Guys, and I had a good handwriting. Such a good one. Hi everyone. I just hope and believe that you're doing good and you're also healthy. Anyway, I have missed you so much. And it seems like it has been a century. What did I write there? It has been a century since we talked or saw each other. I surely hope that everything is okay back there because every day before I sleep and after I wake up, I always pray for God to keep you safe. I can remember myself writing this. As for me, I'm doing good and just reading a lot for my exams. And I'm feeling a bit tensed since I will be having my first exam tomorrow, Thursday 27th October. The year is, yeah, which will be the home science planning. And I know and believe that I'm surely going to pass and I'm not going to let you down in any way. Wow. I hope that you're praying for me Atakama. Hamjanitumia success card. That was the point we were driving to. Even though you have not sent me a success card. But all is well with me. But all is well with me. Just giving them like, even though you have not sent me that success card, all is well with me. Okay. Aki, I have missed you so much that words can't explain. Sometimes I wonder, did you forget me because you never called the teacher to ask how I'm doing? Oh, I can imagine how sad she was feeling. Yeah, let's go. I wonder if you forgot me because you never called the teacher to ask how I'm doing. You never at least asked to talk with me. Oh, what? Are you kidding me? So unfortunate that I can't get access to a mobile phone because I would be calling you on a daily basis. By the way, I forgot to tell you that I need a clipboard. I forgot to buy one. Thank you for paying the textbook that I had misplaced. I'm going to cry. Thank you for paying for the textbook that I had misplaced. I will be coming home on the 30th November. And please come for me at about 1 p.m. since we will be having a practical on that day. Say hi to Peep and Peep. Tell them that I love them so much. I love you so much and I miss you a lot. Also say hi to Peep, 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 and tell them I miss them. Yours, Jerry. Oh, that is so sad. Why did that make me cry? Yeah, because guys, I really had a hard time in high school. But I won't lie to you. I had like a, I had like the worst time. Let me read this one I wrote to my brother. Hey, bro. I just hope that you're doing okay and doing and wait, what? I just hope that you are okay and doing good. Same thing with mom and dad. I have missed you so much and I love you so much. Take care of yourself and also mom and dad, and hope that you're taking care of my tablet. Don't play like that. 5 weeks, I'll be home and I hope you'll come for me. I love you so much and I miss you so much. Bye bye. Ah, so sad. So sad. Eh. Okay, that was sad. Super sad. Okay. I don't know if I should read the other one because this one might get me emotional. I was so naive. What the fuck? I can't read this one. No. That one for future. So sad. I feel so sad, guys. Why did I read this? But I promised you guys I'd do that. I was so naive. What the? I can't, guys. Those are such sad memories. And guys, I used to have a notebook. I used to write like all my things, and all I can say is I can make such a good vision board, because tell me why I was so creative. Wait, let me get something to like guys, as I was telling you, I can make such a good vision board, because tell me why I was this creative. Wait, it's not this one. Maybe it's this one. Oh, look at that. Guys, look at that. That is me, young me, writing all of this. Oh, look at that. Guys, I was so creative. I can make such a good vision board. This would be so much nice. So much nice. This would be so nice. I love it. Let me see what is in the bottom. Oh yeah, we used to write songs and sing them. Guys, I'm such a hoarder. Yeah, if you had this notebook, you are a good babe. I didn't write my mom anything. Let me read it and see if I'll be able to read it. It's just so funny where you tell your mom all your problems. Like this one, I was able to write everything that was going on with me. I meant every word. Yeah, so I had everyone. Like this was to mom, the other one was to dad, the other one was to brother, but I know brother won't mind me like reading all that. Even mom, if they don't mind, I'll read that. And guys, wait, let me. Yeah, I just got my like one of my terminal report form, and tell me why. It's either a pass or fail or fail. So weird how like we fell off with some of my friends from high school. Like no beef, but some are beef, but beef from like them. Guys, I don't beef with anyone. I don't do beef. I actually love chicken. Psych. Yeah, but this one has a lot of interesting stuff. This one. Oh, this one is the creme de la creme of stuff. So what was this for? No, this was me. This was younger me writing this. But it's so weird. In our day-to-day lives, power of money is used to discriminate. Was I that wise? Wow! Exceptional. So guys, I think I'll just come to an end. Let me just close that chapter. Unless you guys want me to do a part 2. I'm sure some will want that because you want the tea. Wow. Okay. No, I'm just holding like somebody's saying that. Guys, I have more. I wish I didn't take my, what is this book called? The one you write like your farewells to. Can't remember the name. It's in Nairobi. I'll go nuts. Yes, guys, with that said, I hope you've enjoyed that video. I've become emotional, but it's okay, guys. You're ending the year on a good note. So if you become emotional, it's okay. If you want to become emotional, it's okay, sweetheart. If you want to say something, it's okay, sweetheart. If you want to do something, it's okay, sweetheart. All you have to do is do the right thing at the right time, trusting God, and everything is going to be okay, guys. And with that said, guys, I hope you've enjoyed this video. I love you so much. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, don't forget to share, and also don't forget to comment anything down below. Share this video with your friends, with your family. I'm going to share this video with my high school friends, and you guys, I love you so much. Never forget that. I can write you a letter just in case you forgot to subscribe. Yes, I can. You've seen that, like I was writing to my parents, my brother, everybody. So guys, I love you so much. I'll write you a letter. Like, I feel like writing letters is such a love language, guys. There's nothing as taking your time, writing somebody a letter, and like the letter getting to them, and them reading the letter, and them seeing the emotions that you portrayed while writing. That is such a beautiful love language, and I love it. And I love it. And I love it once more. And with that said, guys, don't forget to subscribe. Guys, that is sung by a 3-year-old, but I love her. Now that I know her, I love her like a lot. Guys, I love you so much. Bye. Stay gold. Mwah.